Good morning class. Welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA, Intakanji, Department of Information Technology. Today's start 8th lecture on course that is subject name Applied Multimedia Techniques. Departmental vision, mission, statement all are already known. Once again repeat that. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. For the departmental mission statements, first is to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second one is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus for that syllabus of that subject in their total 5 units are there. We already completed unit number 1, introduction to multimedia. Now we continue the unit number 2, image editing and compression. This subject is only for practical subject, no theory exam, so no marks are allocated. Course outcomes. Course outcome means after the completion of course, what will you achieve? Okay, in that total 6 COs are there. In that second CO, edit images using graphical processing tools. This CO will be achieved after the completion of unit number 2. Summary of previous lectures. In a previous lecture, we discussed the point basic operations on image. On that means what? On a image, which operations we are performed? Crop, resize and complement. Okay. So now continue the next part. In a unit number 2, image editing and compression, their unit outcomes means after the completion of this unit, what will we achieve? That describe use of the given image and graphics manipulation tool, identify changes occurred in the given file size and image quality after format conversion, describe the given image editing operation on an image. After that, explain features of the given image compression technique. After that, write major steps to develop the given GIF image or banner using GIF animator software. This GIF animator software is a one type of a software. Using through software we create the GIF image or banner. This is under the completion under the practical session. So now continue start on today's lecture point. Which points are will study on today's lecture? Image compressions techniques. Okay, there are 2 types of image compression techniques. You already all are known what is meant by compression. Okay, in that there are two types are there. First is lossless compression, that is reversible, also said as, and second is lossy compression, are also known as a irreversible. Okay, so studying one by one. Lossless compression, reversible. Okay, lossless compression are also said as the reversible. Okay, in that, what is meant by lossless compression? Reduce a file size with no loss of quality. Means what? When compress the image on a original onto the original image, that time no reduce the file size but no loss of quality. Okay, all are already known what is meant by compression. Okay, compression means we reduce that size of file, or that file as a audio, video or image, whatever. Okay, when we compress it means when we reduce that size of that particular file, that time no loss of quality. Okay, on that files or that image, on that audio videos, no loss that qualities that are said to be that type of compression said as the lossless compression. And when we reduce the file size, that time loss the quality, that compressions are said to be lossy compression, that is known as irreversible. Clear? Only for this concept is clear for your level. Only for you study image compression techniques in under the lossless compression and lossy compression. What is meant by lossless? Both are compressions. Okay, but only for difference is that depends upon that quality. Okay, means what? In which compressions? In a lossless compression, no loss of quality, that's said to be lossless compression technique. And in and using through loss the quality, that compressions are said to be lossy compression. Its only meaning or concepts is clear, that then it is enough for on today's lecture. Okay, means what these points are added in your syllabus because you create the multimedia objects. Okay, that time to use the compressions. Okay, that time you use these techniques. Okay, so that points are added in a practical session. Some images are there and that are you compress it, that time to check it is lossless compression technique or lossy compression techniques. On that original image, when we compress that time quality are changed, then is said as the lossy, and no quality are changed, that is said as the lossless compression. Okay, so next point, applied to both the audio and image, means this compression techniques is applied on both audio and also images. It basically rewrite the data of the original file in more efficient way. Because no quality loss, the resulting file are much larger than image and audio files compressed with lossy compression. Okay, means what? Basically no loss of quality, so maximum which techniques are used? Lossless compression technique. Next slide is example. If using lossy compression, size may be 1/10 of original, while lossless compression to produce similar file is similar than half of the original size. Means what? In that lossy compression and lossless. Okay, we studied the lossless. Okay, in that lossless, similar files are compressed, and in a lossy compression, in that 1/10 of original, that image quality is reduces. Methods. Okay, in which through methods the compression techniques are produced. Area image compression, after that entropy encoding and run length encoding and chain code. Okay, chain code means the basic principles is to separately encode each connected component or block in the image. Means what? Encoding means what? Some like a original image or message or audio file. Okay, that's through one another key type. Okay, key are inserted on through that image and that are passed. Okay, after that when we receive means sender pass, and after that receiver receive that using through key, that image is accepted. Image, audio, video, whatever any files are there that are accepted, that is known as the encoding. Okay, means converting into the another format, and when we receive that that original format, how will be received? Using through particular key, that known as the encoding. Okay, encoding, decoding, that's like. Okay, encoding means encoded. Okay, your original message is encoded in another format, and that formats are sent, and when receiving that are decoded, means that using through key, through that we got the original message. What this happens through your original data no any are hacked. That purpose encoding decoding is used. Next, lossy compression, that is also known as the irreversible. Okay, lossy file compression result in lost data and quality from the original version. Clear? That means using through lossy file compression, result is that what will be result is got lost the data and quality also from the original version. Next point, associated with image files such as that image is in a which format associated as a JPG, also be used for audio files like MP3 or AAC like. Okay, that are the extensions of that audio files, and that the JPG is the extension of image file. After that, next point is the losslessness of an image file may show up as the losslessness of an image file may show up as jagged edges or pixelated areas. Okay, means that means what, that lossless that images are show using through jagged edges or pixelated areas, in a pixelated areas that are used. Next point, in audio file the losslessness may produce a watery sound or reduce the dynamic range of audio. Okay, means what, in that said as the lossy compression means what, when we compress the image or audio, that time lost the data and quality. Okay, means what, when we using through image files are conversion or compressed, okay, using through lossy techniques, that means you lost the data or quality. Means what will be happen, means what, that show up that on image that's like a jagged edges, okay, or any pixelated areas, means any in any areas pixels are removed or lost, same like that's like. Okay, and on a audio file through lossy compression is techniques is used, means on a audio files lost the data or quality, how will be produced, means what, on that add the watery sound, means extra any sounds are added, or reduce the dynamic ranges of that audio, means that reduces the range of that on that audio, that some likes are changes on that original audio files, that means what, lost the data or quality. Because lossy compression removes the data from the original file, the resulting file often takes up much less disk space than original. Obviously, that lost the data and quality means automatically that space of that disk is less than original image. Example, a JPG image may reduce an image file size by more than 80% with little noticeable effect, and MP3 files may be 1/10 size of original. Okay, means what, any JPG image or reduces the image, means compress, that time the files is 80% is are affected on that image. And when any MP3 means audio files are compressed using lossy techniques, through that time 1/10 size of that original is lost the data or quality. Okay, in under the methods are there, which are the better portable graphics or fractal compressions or wavelet compressions. Okay, these methods through means these methods through any compressions are performed on that any image or audio files that are said to be lossy compression, that are also known as the irreversible compression. Okay, next slide that shows the diagrammatically through how will be that done. Okay, this is the diagram for lossless compression, this is the diagram for lossy compression. Okay, lossless means original message or original image or file same as the get the when compressed it, but in a lossy compression, when original message or original file or also file or any image or any audio, okay, that are compressed, that are reduced, that any particular that file in means what, lost the data and quality. Okay, this examples through will clear that point. In a lossless, original files same as compressed. Okay, and in that original files are both are compressed. Okay, both are compressed techniques, but changes is that in using through lossless techniques, through original message, original files same as in a receiving when we compressed. Okay, and in a lossy, the original files means any image or audio that are changes, means what, lost the quality or data. Okay, lossless compression example is that your zip file. Okay, means what, when you send the many number of files at a time, that time all are will be select and one by one is same, but it is when we use the zip file. Okay, that time when any folder we compress the zip file, that time there resize the size, means reduce the size, but their quality are not changed. That is the example of lossless compression. Okay, after that, in that slide through shows that image on that lossless and lossy. It is the lossless image and it is the lossy image. In that also same is a lossless image and it is a lossy image. Means in a lossy image, some bits, some as the change that quality or any data. In that also, okay, you see it, that will be clear that. Okay, these are the examples of lossy compression and lossless compression techniques. Summary on that today's lecture: image compression techniques. In under two techniques are there. First, lossless compression are also known as reversible. Second one is lossy compression, is also known as the irreversible. Okay. Okay, means on that today's lecture you will clear that point only, that compression techniques are there. On which compression, image compression techniques are there, which techniques, two techniques are there: lossless compression and lossy compression. Lossless compression are also known as the reversible and lossy compression are also known as the irreversible. Okay, clear that. After that, lossless compression means what, both using through compressions are done, but changes is that using through lossless compression techniques, through when we resize the file, means you compress the file, that time there no quality are changes, means any image or audio file. But in under the lossy compression, in that effect on that file, means what, on that any image or audio, means what happened, means what, that lost the data and quality. That's said as the lossy compression. Okay, means what? Anytime you compresses, okay, that time change the your quality and size, means is said as the that lossy compression techniques. And in us sometimes we compress that no any changes, no quality changes or size, or sorry, data, that time you said as the this is the lossless compression techniques. Okay, lossless compression techniques, the example is, best example is your zip files, etc. Okay, homework on today's lecture, only write in your notebook today's lectures points. These are the not a theory exam, but it is practical exam is important. Okay, external practical exam. So these are the which are the points under the theory lectures are discussed, that's based on the practicals are there, that time these points are used. So clear that points. Okay, okay, now so here stop on today's lecture. On that lecture any doubts are created, then contact with me, no problem. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.